Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials: server address, protocol, credentials, and any pre-shared key. Once done, open your device's built-in VPN settings. This is faster than installing software. Choose the protocol the provider supports: IKEv2 for stability, L2TP/ISEC for legacy compatibility, or import an OpenVPN profile if available. Make sure to enter the server name exactly, enable required encryption options, and save the profile. You will test the connection next to confirm routing and DNS behavior. Now you configure authentication and advanced options. You should select the correct auth method: pre-shared key for L2TP/ISEC, certificate for IKEv2, or username/password with certificate checks. Then set DNS explicitly. Use the VPN's DNS or a trusted public resolver to avoid leaks. Next, decide routing. Enable send all traffic to tunnel everything, or add specific routes if you only want select networks tunneled. Make sure MTU and keepalive settings follow provider recommendations to reduce fragmentation. Finally, connect and verify. You should confirm your public IP changed and run a DNS leak test to ensure queries go through the tunnel. If it fails, check the server address, credentials, protocol mismatch, and any local firewall or router blocking ISEC or UDP ports. Re-enter PSK or certificates if needed, and toggle MTU or encapsulation options. If problems persist, capture logs or a packet trace to inspect the handshake. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether authentication, routing, or port blocking is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.